In what ratio does the line 3x plus y equals to 9 divide the line segment joining the points 1, 3 and 2, 7? Let us begin. So here we have 2 points. So let's say the point A has the coordinate 1, 3 and we have the other point B and B has the coordinates 2, 7. We're going to join the 2 points A and B with the help of a straight line, and that gives us the line segment AB. Now it's given here that we have a line 3x plus y equals to 9 which divides the line segment. So let's say we have the line 3x plus y equals to 9. It is dividing the line segment internally in the ratio k:1, and also it meets the line segment at point C. Now, using the section formula, we can easily obtain the coordinate of point K. All we have to do is multiply K with B and 1 with A. Meaning, if we want to find out the x coordinate of point C, so we'll take K and multiply it with the x coordinate of B, plus we'll take 1 and multiply it with the x coordinate of A. So that's 1 times 1 divided by the sum of the ratios. So that's K plus 1. Then we have the y coordinate. All we have to do is take K and multiply with the y coordinate of B, add it to 1 times the y coordinate of A. So that's 3 divided by K plus 1. Fine. Now that means the coordinate of point C is simply given by 2K plus 1 divided by K plus 1. And the coordinate of the y coordinate will be 7K plus 3 divided by K plus 1. Now since the point C lies on the line, so we can say that point C satisfies the equation of the line. It has to do that. The equation of the line which is given by 3x plus y equals to 9. Meaning we will be replacing the value of x with the x coordinate of C and the value of y with the y coordinate of C. So we get 3 times the x coordinate, so that's 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 added to y. So y here is 7k plus 3 divided by k plus 1. So this will be equals to 9. Now we will multiply throughout with k plus 1 to get 6k plus 3 added to 7k plus 3 equals to 9k plus 9. So solving, we get 4k equals to 3. So that means we have k equals to 3 divided by 4, or simply we can say that the ratio k:1 will be 3:4. Now since the value k is positive, so we have our internal division. So that means the correct option is going to be option number A, 3:4 internally.